What's the meaning of Calais? Calais. Calais.
Calais. Calais. Calais is a city located in the northern part of France, near the English Channel. The name Calais has various interpretations and meanings, derived from different sources. One theory suggests that the name comes from the Latin word calare, meaning to announce or proclaim, referring to the city's historical role as a port of departure for ships crossing the Channel. Another theory links it to the local Flemish word kales, meaning beacon or lighthouse, due to the existence of a lighthouse at the entrance of the harbor. Overall, Calais is a historically significant city with diverse cultural, linguistic, and economic influences.